Tom from Horizon Hobby and Spektrum RC here for another iX12 tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to connect an Android phone or device to your iX12. If you're looking to connect an iOS device to your iX12, there's another video for that down below. So essentially you're going to Bluetooth connect your iX12 to your Android device. To do that, we swipe from the top. Swipe down and we'll have this bar here. We'll have Bluetooth there. Tap on the word Bluetooth. At this point it'll show us what paired devices there are. There are none currently, but that's what we're going to do. We'll hit More Settings. Alright. Our Bluetooth is on and it sees my Galaxy S8 Plus. We'll tap on that. They are pairing. And it's going to ask us to tap OK on our phone, which is what I'm going to do. I confirm, pair, now they're connected. So on my phone I'm going to pick an image from my gallery. You can select that image from wherever you want. Photos, Google Images, you can download an image from the internet or just one that you took a photo of. So let's go down on my phone. This one looks good. Actually, here we go. Here's a nice festive image. You'll tap share on your phone. So you'll tap the image and there will be a share icon and you're going to click share via Bluetooth and it'll start transmitting it via Bluetooth. It says incoming file and you'll have to confirm that you want to receive this file. We'll tap on that notification and hit accept. And it's downloading the file. So sharing from your Android phone could be a little different depending on the phone you have. Normally you just press and hold on the image. So in your photo gallery, you'll tap the share icon, which looks like a little couple of bars with orbs on them. And then there will be a selection for Bluetooth. You'll select that. And then out of that list of Bluetooth connected devices, you'll select your radio. That may start with A star. It's A-S-T-A-R. Out of the box, you can change that name on the iX12 to whatever you want it to, but that'll be the default name for the iX12. So now we finished receiving the Bluetooth transferred image. We'll go back to the Spektrum Airware app. Tap on model setup here. And where we have the image of a fairly generic looking airplane, we'll tap on that. This is our basic gallery of images that you can choose from, or you can pick an image from the gallery. And that's the image I picked. That image was shot vertically, but you see that it's there. It's a picture of my Christmas tree with a plane in it. And that will be right on our main screen. So whatever image you use, it will show up there. Easy enough. So if you guys have more questions or you need more information, go to horizonhobby.com.